we challenged ourselves and our operation teams to deliver strong results on our water conservation goals, while finding good ways to engage our employees in the process. To support this effort, we created a separate capital budget just focused on water reduction projects. Then each of the mills submitted their best projects for a chance to earn the capital funding. I was very impressed by how our teams responded and rose to the challenge. The process not only generated some fun and healthy competition between our mills, but also generated some great and actionable projects that will have meaningful and long-lasting impacts on water usage for our mills and for our communities.
Here's the advantage we provided. The projects didn't need to provide a financial return. The priority was saving water. That gave the employees a chance to think beyond the bottom line, and they really did. In 2023, our mills completed 10 projects that saved more than 1 billion gallons of water annually. That's enough water to fill 1,600 Olympic-sized swimming pools.
At the Marlboro Mill, our team installed a project to capture single-pass cooling water from areas at the kiln and return that water back into the process for reuse. This project would not be approved under our existing capital approval process, but the Water Reduction Fund made it possible.
I'm very excited and proud of what we achieved with this approach. Overall, this process was a win-win for us. It really helped engage our employees in our sustainability journey, but also helped build resiliency into our mills as we prepare for a world of greater water challenges and volatility.